Hey everybody, so I got a small haul from Home Depot. Picked up, I wouldn't say it's tools, but you know, we picked up some buckets and a couple of other items. So please stick around, check out the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Alright everybody, so these are the items I picked up from Home Depot. I went there particularly looking for some buckets, and I grabbed a couple other small items. I don't have any of these larger Inksol liquid paint markers, so I figured I'd give them a try. I grabbed 3 Home Depot buckets. I usually don't buy buckets. It's usually one of those things that it's not necessarily in my interest to buy them, but I actually thought to use these for, you know, car washes and stuff like that. So I'm like, oh well, you know, maybe my wife could use one of these buckets, and you know, the other 2 I could dedicate to car wash and you know, so on. And I'm like, you know what, I grabbed 2 originally. I'm like, I'm gonna dedicate 1 because I've been eyeballing this guy for a while, which is the Husky Bucket Jockey, for a while, which is part number 100053254. And I've been eyeballing it for quite a long time. I'm like, you know what? It's like $8. I might as well pick one up. So I grabbed an extra bucket. I also grabbed the lids. You know, and they are definitely nice lids. I kind of wish they were like some places where you buy the bucket, you get the lid for free. But, you know, it is what it is. And, you know, the lids, I think they're like $1 or something. The bucket was like $3 something. This was $8.70, the Bucket Jockey. And I picked up 2 of the Inksol liquid paint markers. I picked up a white and I picked up a yellow. And part number for the white is 48-22-3712. And the part number for the yellow is 48-22-3722. And just figured I'd show you guys what's going on. Previous video to this, and electronic item. I picked up a crap ton of soaps and car wash items, including waxes, ceramic waxes, and stuff like that. And I also showed that I picked up the Bucket Caddy, you know, rolling bucket holder. I'm not really sure what this is called. What is this called? I can't remember. The bucket trolley is what I picked up, and some boxes or containers and stuff like that. But I also got stuff coming up for a video on that stuff right there. But you know, just a small little haul. I figured, hey, you know, give it a try. The Bucket Jockey, you know, can't be too bad. It looks like a very well built Husky item. Oh, I knew I had to sneeze. Apologize, guys. Excuse me. I like the Husky bags that I have. I have quite a few of their bags. They're wide mouth bags. So I figured, you know what? I haven't had any issue with the bags, and the wide mouth bags I have. I've done one video on it a while back, and I've had it a lot longer since then that video. And you know, I think I covered pretty much everything in that video about the bag, but it's held up extremely well for me. You know, and don't eat these packets. Just so you know, they're not edible. But back to what I was saying. I like the stitching on all of the Husky bags and items that they have. And the nice thing about that bag is I actually overfilled that big mouth bag. I think, no, it's not a 16 inch, it's an 18-inch big mouth bag. But I've had, at one point in time in that bag, I've had probably well over 140 pounds in that bag. And not one single stitch has ripped. They've all held up. So I'm like, you know what, for almost $9, you know, can't go wrong, and give it a try. It come in handy for, you know, little things. But, you know, I appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Appreciate your guys' time. Go check out the live stream I did with the live Milwaukee NPS 2020, aka the Pipeline event. Go check that out. I got affiliate links for all the new Milwaukee tools coming out if you guys want to go pre-order any of those tools. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!